How to download and install Adobe Lightroom on your PC. Now, the easiest method possible that we can try is by downloading the software itself from your Microsoft Store. Now, all you have to do is press the Windows button on your keyboard and type in Microsoft Store. Now, once you're in the home page on your Microsoft Store, on the search bar, just simply type in Adobe Lightroom right here. So all you have to do is to download it first and then install. It will install by itself. And once you have fully installed or set up your Adobe Lightroom, you need to create an account, or easiest way is to connect it through your Google account. So that's how easy you can download or how to download Adobe Lightroom on your PC.